Hey, this is Jen Boyd, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how to balance your home with the Bagua, which is one of the key principles of Feng Shui. So as you learn how to work with the Bagua, you'll have a way to organize your belongings, create a beautiful interior design plan, and even set intentions into your home that can bring about wonderful manifestations. And sometimes the Bagua can even help you see obstacles in your life. So the Feng Shui Map, also called the Bagua, is thousands of years old, and as it's applied to your home, you can actually see how key areas of your life are represented in your home. And the Bagua to your home and business can literally open up the energy blocks in your life. And so by the end of this video, you're going to learn what each area of the Bagua actually represents. Learning to understand the Bagua is powerful and it's fun. So be sure to stay till the end of the video to really learn about what each quadrant represents and how it can enhance the quality of your life. Before I begin this video, I'd like to quickly announce that a few spots have opened up for the free one-to-one 45-minute Feng Shui discovery sessions with me for the Harmony Blueprint Feng Shui program. And be sure to grab your own free copy of my guide to 18 Feng Shui principles to improve your prosperity, well-being, and happiness. Check out the link in the description. And with that note, let's get started. Okay, so the Bagua is the Feng Shui map that is about 5,000 years old. And the Bagua represents the natural flow of life. So truly understanding how to work with the Bagua is a lifetime study. But as you learn to work with the Bagua, you will have a systematic way to organize and place your furniture, artwork, and belongings. The Bagua is ubiquitous, and it can be used in a home, on a room, even on an entire piece of property, or even on your desk. I even had a client once who had like 20 pieces of artwork and wanted to know how to arrange them all on her wall in a collage, and we used the Bagua, and it turned out great. There are endless ways to use the Bagua. You can also use the Bagua to create a vision board. So be sure to check out my webinar on how to create a vision board using Feng Shui. So the bottom line is that the Bagua is powerful, it's versatile, and, well, it's awesome. Think about the history of this map, and you'll really start to understand why it's so essential to your home. I personally like the Bagua because it really helps me ensure that I'm paying attention to all the areas of my life, as well as it gives me a simple way to arrange all my stuff with meaning and purpose. So if you're ready to transform your life and create an amazing plan for your home, and of course make a home that is peaceful and beautiful, let's jump in. First of all, I'd like to clarify that there are two forms of Feng Shui, the modern and the traditional forms. In my Harmony Blueprint program, when I work with my clients, we work with the modern Western version of Feng Shui that places the Bagua based on the location of the front door. The traditional version of Feng Shui places the Bagua on a home based on astrological information. However, in both methods, the layout of the actual Bagua is the same. Okay, so here is the actual Bagua. As you can see, this map outlines and highlights the 9 key areas of life. And the idea is that as the Bagua is placed onto the layout of your home, you can begin to identify how these key areas of life are represented in your home. And this becomes so powerful when you are looking to transform your life or create a plan or really identify how key areas of your life are showing up to arrange things for positive change. If you've been watching my videos, you'll hear me say that the answers are always right in front of you. And with the Bagua, this is how this happens. You can literally see how key areas of your life are showing up in your home and begin to use these areas to facilitate positive change in your life. I like to think of the Bagua as a roadmap and a palette for positive change. So let's dive in and review the 9 areas. And just as a reference, each area is often referred to as a gua. And we will also identify the 5 elements within the Bagua. So career and journey. Career and journey honors one's career, new beginnings, and the journey of opportunities from your life's work. So whether it's your professional career or whatever you consider your life's work, so basically whether you're a busy professional or a stay-at-home mom, everyone has an important path. You are seeking to land a new career opportunity or wanting to usher in a new flow of energy to your life and home, activating this area will signify a new flow of energy for your work, your life, and your home. And the water element is associated with career and journey. Knowledge and self-cultivation honors your wisdom, your academia, and your skills and internal development. It could also be advanced study like college or getting an MBA or continued professional learning. It also honors your spiritual and personal growth and development. This gua is associated with the Feng Shui picture of Still Mountain. So consider this the area, the place of quiet contemplation and personal growth. I'll also share that this area is kind of like the key area of the Bagua because it honors all the skills that you need to be successful in all the areas of your life. Sometimes it's overlooked, but it's a truly powerful area. And what I found through 20 years of doing Feng Shui is that it's often the key to getting the other areas of the Bagua aligned. Family and ancestors honors our ancestors, our parents, our family history, and people and actions associated with the past. It also honors our finances that pay our rent, utilities, and daily living. When we think about our root system, this is the area of the Bagua that anchors us. It provides support and stability, and we feel strong within ourselves and all the areas of our life with this area. And family and ancestors is associated with the wood element. The prosperity gua is commonly associated with wealth, investments, and cash flow. It's the area that honors the things for which we are most thankful for and those upon which we place the greatest value, such as our financial security, our home, good health, friendships, and where we invest our time, energy, and money. And prosperity means many things to everyone, so how you anchor this area really is about identifying what's most important to you. And this area can represent luxury, your wealth, your home office, or anything that is essential to your life. The investment of your home is often an important part of your prosperity. External recognition corresponds with your reputation, your standards, your morals, and the recognition that you receive at home and in your community. And so this area really focuses on personal values, your work ethic, and your character. It's basically what you are known for either in your industry and your reputation as a person. This area can be used to gain a promotion or more notoriety in your work or within your community. It's actually a really important part of the Bagua as we all need to be recognized for who we are and what we do to prosper in life. And this is where we place the fire element. Love and relationships honors your relationship, first of all, with yourself, and then with your own personal relationships and partnerships and marriages. So here is where we look for duality and partnership. So whether you are in a relationship or you want to attract a relationship or you just need to learn how to love yourself more, this is the area that honors all of that. It's a really special area and it's essential to your life. This is the love corner. Creativity in children honors your own creativity. Art, it honors the children in the house, as well as bright ideas, imagination, encouragement, structure, organization, and the vision of the future. Do you feel like you need to be more creative or expand your ideas for what's possible? This area of the Bagua is the Feng Shui picture of joyous lake, and the word is encouragement. So although creativity can feel very vast and wide, because this area is associated with the metal element, it's also about creating a plan and having the details come together. Helpful people in travel honors how we give back in the world, and also the people who create synchronicity in our life. It's our spiritual teachers, our mentors, our friends, our clients, and also being in the right place at the right time. And it's also about the places that we love to visit. This gua is considered the most young and expansive area of the Bagua. And this area encourages us to follow our hearts into the unknown and find new destinations that open up our mind, as well as connect us with the amazing people in the world that really opens up those new doors and directions. So activate this area when you want to expand either who you are as a person or see new places or get out of your comfort zone and really open up to new people and new experiences. The health area is the center of your home, and this honors your overall physical, spiritual, and emotional health and overall well-being. The center of the space represents the wellspring of life. The idea is that when we are centered within ourselves, life flows gently around us. This area is all about being grounded and centered within yourself and your own heart. And in the health area is where we place the earth element. And all of the guas work together. So in case you're wondering, the areas don't move or change no matter of the layout of the house. So if you're like, well, it might be better if I could flip the bagua to coincide with a particular room, it doesn't work like that. But let me explain why, because it's actually really cool. To have a successful career, you need recognition. And to have a successful relationship, you need to know who you are and have done your own personal development and self-cultivation work. And to have prosperity, you need to have those helpful people in your life, whether they are mentors or clients or friends or family members, or the people in your life that connect the dots and bring about synergy in your life. And of course, for all this to work, you need to be grounded and centered within yourself. The bagua is applied directly to your home based on the location of the front door. So if your house is a different shape other than a square or rectangle, and maybe it seems like you're missing a corner, do not panic. See this as an opportunity to bolster and put emphasis on this area of your life. So now that you understand what the key areas represent, now it's time to decide what area you want to focus on and get started with Feng Shui. In fact, if you are just getting started with Feng Shui, be sure to check out my video, 8 Pro Tips That I Wish I Would Have Known When I Was First Getting Started with Feng Shui. There is so much to learn with the Bagua, which is the Feng Shui Map, and it's truly a lifetime study. So gaining an understanding and learning to work with this special ancient map really takes time, but I'll tell you, it's worth it. And I know for myself that the Bagua has taught me a great deal about myself and about life in general. And I highly recommend that you consider learning more about the Bagua and how this can enhance the quality of your life and improve the energy in your home. And with that, I conclude this video. I sincerely hope this video was helpful. If you are new to the channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that little bell over there so you'll be notified when I post a new video every week. And I'm super excited to announce that a few spots have opened up for the free one-to-one 45-minute Feng Shui discovery sessions with me. These calls are designed to really help you diagnose what's happening with the energy in your home and begin to create a plan to open up those energy blocks. And we'll also see if the Harmony Blueprint would work for you. Sometimes it will and sometimes it won't, and I'm always honest about that. So click on the link in the description to sign up for this call, and let's see how I can help you optimize the energy in your home. Are you moving into or building a new home and want to create a plan? Or maybe you're seeking new ideas to up-level the energy in your forever home. Or perhaps you're seeking a systematic way to open up new energy and direction in your life to support your overall well-being. Well, Feng Shui can help you with all of these and more. And what we do in the Harmony Blueprint Feng Shui program is we help you create a peaceful and beautiful home that really improves your prosperity, relationships, and well-being. So this is what we help our clients do every day, and I know this is possible for you as well. So if this sounds like you and you're ready to up-level the energy in your home and your life, click on the link in the description. And this is a way to schedule that free Feng Shui discovery call with me, and I can see if I can help you. I'd really love to see you there. Also, the free Facebook group is open, so be sure to click on the link in the description. It's a really great community. So until next time, stay in the flow, and remember, the answers are always right in front of you.